If it directly breaks two swing highs, what does happen?
That's okay. As long as there's more liquidity up here, then that's fine.
If there's more swing highs above that one.
Exactly. Then it's fine. Because then we have targets, right? Logically, right? But if it takes up too much, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then maybe stay away. Wait for it to repeat.
Yeah.
First of all, when it goes up, it's probably not going to go up like this. Okay. When it goes up, it's probably going to go up like this. But that's the point I'm trying to make is that your entry is going to be here. But let's just say you didn't enter, you missed it, you didn't enter, whatever. As we go up and up, what are we engineering below here?
More
Liquidity.
Liquidity. So logic dictates that we're gonna run through this down. So does market structure shift make sense to everyone?
Yes.
Now write this down in your notes as well. The leg that caused the market structure shift is where we're always going to be looking for the fair value gap.
Can you explain what a leg is?
So a leg is pretty much, this would be the leg. From the bottom range to the top range. So leg means like candles upon candles. Like it's not, don't think of it like this is one candle. Does that make sense? So when I say leg, it just means like a bunch of candles together, just going in in a direction.
Do they have to be
The same color? No.